Sanmonane guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, it looks like while Umpumelelo is trying to build the system, others are puma, others are coming in, others are going out. He's PT nje. So guys, Nosipho post this gorgeous picture of herself, looking gorgeous as usual. And someone in the comment section went to go and post said must be Indi with a heart and fire emoji and in love emoji. She goes and responds and basically says, lol, not anymore, babes. Hi, girl. So I don't know whether we should take this as a confirmation of Upumile Lapo. She's out of the situation because she says she's no longer Umasbindi anymore. If you don't know Umpumelele's nickname, or should we say his stage name, or whatever you want to call it, is Usbindi. So obviously Nosipho would be Umasbindi because she's dating him and they were apparently meant to be married, or we really don't even know. But she says not anymore. And then someone else goes and say Umfazwe laughing. And I laughed at that because this whole thing of Umfazwe it just makes me laugh. And then she went to go and comment underneath that comment or responded and said, "Yinehlegisayo la." Like, what's funny of the fact that, like, what's funny, you know? So I don't know, you guys, but you know what's confusing me? Nosipho normally posts, when Lwandle posts his pictures, she normally reposts it. If I'm not mistaken, you guys, Lwandle posted a picture of himself about 2 weeks back, and she reposted that picture on her stories. So that's why for me, I'm just like, I don't know. Did your man not brief you of what's going to happen? And did your man not brief you of what's going to happen in the upcoming episodes? Because for me, if she's saying she's not with him right now, then it has to be something manj. That it has to be something like within these 2 weeks. And maybe it could possibly be due to the episodes that have aired. Because 2 weeks ago, she reposted her man. So I don't know, maybe it's the episode she saw, maybe it's the infection thing. I don't know, maybe it's too much for her. But you know what? I really do hope, guys, that this is not her just trying to get us or maybe her family out of her business. I really do hope for her own sake that she left that guy, because sometimes people just do this, you guys, just so that their families can get off of their backs, so we can stop talking about it, so that they can enjoy their relationship in peace. So I really do hope that it is the case that Ugeli left and Ugel really, thought this kahle. But I don't know. I don't know what to think about it. I'm just struggling to come to terms with this, because obviously if she's gonna go and comment on something like that, she knows we're gonna see it, so she wants us to know about it. And then if it's really within these 2 weeks, guys, I don't know if it's too soon for her to announce it in a sense. I think it might be too soon, because I mean, she obviously, her heart's so obviously for the guy, unless she's the type of girl who's like me, who's strong-willed. Once I say Pumila, I'm not going back. If she's a girl like me, then I believe her. If she's like Abo Tebelo na Abo Vuyogazi, then it might be too soon to speak. Uti, it's over. You might, go back to Ugai. Angazi, you guys, but a lot of people underneath her post were like, you know what? Congratulations, Nana. You really don't deserve this. A lot of people really wishing her well, that, you know what? We're glad that you're out of that situation, because you cannot save yourself for such a long time. Uzpate for a person or like who doesn't care. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this. Do you think this might just be a stunt? Do you think it's too soon for her to speak? Because I mean, I just said that she just posted her man about 2 weeks back. What are your thoughts around this whole thing? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.